Hello guys, and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the shape of this kind of dress. It is a cut together sleeve A-line shirt, so you can see how it is looking. So this was what I did. So I just cut it out for the sake of those people that don't know how to cut something like this. So you can see the way it is looking. It is a very simple process. Okay, so for this you don't need to fold your fabric like a flake. All you are just going to do, you fold your fabric into two, and then you'll be able to achieve this shape of this kind of dress. So you can actually use them for anything, any style line you want to. So you can see this is how I folded my fabric, and then I folded this fabric at 22. So you use the down part, which is like the widest part, to fold the dress. So I folded at 22. So now what I want to do now, I want to add all of the lines here. So I need some basic lines. So that first line, that's the shoulder line, and then I need the bust point line, the under bust line, and then the waistline. So you can see all of the lines, I've added them. That's the on bust, the under bust, and then the waist. And then the last one down is you measure the length of your blouse. Okay, so you can see. So now at this point you are going to mark your sleeve measurement, how long you want your sleeve to be. So for this I'm going to use about 18 or 19 inches. So you put your tape on the back, that's the back of your neckline. So it's called the across back. So you measure where you want the sleeve to reach. So not your normal regular shoulder measurement. So I came down from that point by 1 inch and then created the slope. So this point now I'm trying to create the opening of the sleeve. How wide do I want my sleeve to be? So for this I used about 9 inches. So you can see, so I just marked it and then left it there. So this bust line, the essence of this is for us to shape the top part. So for this point now you can see I'm adding my bust measurement divided by 4. So I'm going to add as much as 3 inches to it. So you can see I'm adding extra 3 inches to my regular bust measurement of 36. So you can see that line, I just extended it to the under bust line, you can see. So from that point I'm going to curve it to that sleeve opening that I did. So for this part, for the waistline, naturally I don't need to add any measurement. The shape is just going to curve itself. So you can see what I'm trying to do. You can see I'm connecting that line now to that sleeve opening. Can you see? You can see the way I'm just curving it. You can see it has blended already. So this was what I was just trying to say. And then I'll come to the down part. Depends on how wide I want the down part. So for the down part, initially I used 20 inches. So I just wanted us to see how wide it is going to be. You understand? So from that point you can see naturally on the waistline you don't need to add any measurement. Naturally it will just flow, and then you create like an opening effect, like an A line or a flare like effect. Can you see the way I'm creating it? So what I'm going to do now, I'll use my straight long ruler. So I'm trying to get that. I'll use it to just connect that line to that 20 inches. Remember that 20 inches that I measured for the down part of my dress. So this is how simple and easy this is for you to achieve this. So you don't, like I said, you don't need to fold the dress like a fillet. If you fold it, it's going to have excess. If you notice, it does not have really excess. It's just that shape. So after that, the next thing I am going to do, I want to mark out the neckline. So for this you can actually add any neckline you want. So you can see I'm trying to add a V neckline. So I came in by 3.5 inches and then came down by like 6 inches. So for this pattern, you can actually use this pattern to cut out both the back and the front, and you don't need to put any zip at the back. It's going to still work perfectly well for you. You can see the 6 inches for the sleeve length. So that's all you need for this. So the next thing I'm going to just do now, I am done already. So you can see this is, like I said, this is how simple it is. If you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I would appreciate for you to hit on the like button and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will appreciate that. So you can see, can you see the way I'm navigating the curve for the sleeve. So like I said, this is how simple and easy this is. You can see, as a beginner, this is a very beginner friendly tutorial for you to learn, for you to make beautiful pieces for yourself without struggling to like, how am I going to fix this sleeve now? So you can see it looks good and perfect. So the next thing, I'm going to cut out the neckline. So like I said, you can actually use this pattern for the, you can use it, so just place it on another pattern and then cut out the back pattern. So for the down part, you can see the edge is a little bit sharp. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to curve, just give it a little bit of a curve like that, so it's not standing, it's not just standing out straight. Okay, so like I said, if you find this video helpful, hit on the like button. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. And then if you want to register for my online classes, you can send me a message on WhatsApp with my number on the screen. Can you see how beautiful this dress is? So I was actually trying to spread it out nicely. You can see it came out really fine. So you can see the sleeve. Can you see the sleeve? You see the cut together, it is just perfect. So you can see. So like I said, I used 20 inches for the down part, so you can see how wide it is, really wide. So you can use 16 inches, you can even use 15 inches. Okay, depends on how wide you want the down to be. So for this point now, what I'm going to do, I want to reduce the down so I will see when the down is reduced how the shape will still be. So for this, I think I came in by like 16 inches. Okay, so I came in by like 16 inches and then I trimmed out that excess. So I trimmed it out. Can you see? So I trimmed it out. I just cut that off, and then I'm going to open this up for you guys to see. Can you see? So you can see the shape. You see the A-line shape. You see how beautiful and easy this is. Like I said, you don't need to fold it like a circle to achieve this. So guys, at the end of the day, you can see how this looks like. So I'm just trying to adjust my camera to capture everything, because this is just a cutting tutorial. So when you want to stitch, you just stitch them on the shoulder and then join the side. That's all you need to do. And then for the neckline, you can turn it with a facing, or you use a bias binding to do that. So like I said, this is a beginners friendly tutorial. As a beginner, this is something you can really do, and then it will save you the stress of cutting a sleeve. You can use this pattern also for your kimonos and all of your other style lines. So guys, so thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, like I said, please hit on the like button. And if you have not subscribed to Stylish Naija YouTube channel already, I would appreciate for you to hit on the subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends and your colleagues. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys.